Yellow Jacket is a legendary name when it comes to tools and equipment. That's why we are proud to pronounce Yellow Jacket is now at Jackson Systems. Starting with gauges, the Omni digital vacuum gauge is easy to use, rugged, and compact. It can handle up to 450 psi of positive pressure and can read several units of vacuum. These convenient gauges come with a 1/4 or 5/16 inch coupler, and adapters are available separately. The target feature makes it easy to use, and the display button allows you to change it from a black background to a white background for easy visibility. The Yellow Jacket 49963 Titan 4-valve manifold is the first forged aluminum manifold in the industry, giving it incredible durability while remaining lightweight. With a built-in sight glass window, it's never been easier to see what's happening during the charging and recovery process. The 3/8 vacuum port for use with larger hoses cuts evacuation time by up to 33%. All the other fittings on this model are 1/4 inch. If you need hoses, check out the version of this gauge that comes with 4 hoses. The Yellow Jacket adjustable digital torque wrench makes tightening connections to the perfect measurement easy. When installing mini splits, this can be essential. With an LED and buzzer that indicates when the right spec has been reached, installs will always go smoother. This torque wrench also offers presets to speed up any job that you seem to be getting consistently. Next, let's explore the Yellow Jacket's Deluxe tube bender kit. With color-coded alloy mandrels to bend various sizes of tubing, this tool has you covered. With the reverse bend brackets, this kit can be useful in countless applications. Also included is a reaming and cutting tool. With this kit, eliminate the need for soldering elbows and cut down on install times. Continuing with recovery and evacuation, let's talk about pumps. This is the 6CFM Superevac Plus 2 vacuum pump. A smart start is incorporated into this pump to increase product life. The anti-suckback feature ensures that if power is lost during evac, the valve will prevent oil backstreaming or particle migration into your vacuum system. The elongated oil sight glass makes it easier to see the oil level and condition. Able to function in extreme low voltage conditions and field rated for 15 microns, the Superevac Plus 2 is always ready. We can't cover all the features of these products in this video, so for more information, don't forget to check out our website or give us a call at 1-844-PARTS4U. That's it for this video, and thanks for watching.